The history of Odissi dance over the last 60 years is the story of the life and work of Guru Mayadhar Raut. In 1940s and 50s, when Odissi was limited to the Maharis and Gotipuas, Guruji founded the first Odissi school, Kala Vikas Kendra, in Cuttack in 1952. For the first time in India, Odissi was taught on the basis of a syllabus, giving equal emphasis on the theoretical and practical aspects of Odissi dance. In 1955, Guruji was awarded a scholarship to study classical dance and theory at the Kalakshetra Adyar. His training at Kalakshetra enabled him to remodel and restructure Odissi with an emphasis on Abhinay. Kalakshetra equipped him with Shastra-based knowledge with which he could codify the classical idiom of Odissi. This particular slide shows Guruji as Krishna and late Sanjukta Panigrahi as Radha in Geet Govinda dance drama. In 1959, a group of gurus and scholars formed Jayantika Association to redefine Odissi dance. Guruji, founder member of Jayantika, played a vital role in getting the classical status for Odissi and putting it on the national and international map. In 1970, Guruji started the Odissi department at Shri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra in New Delhi and established Odissi in the capital. In 1972, the Kamani Auditorium was inaugurated with Geet Govinda choreographed by Guruji. Guruji is the source of a distinct style of Odissi dance, which is Bhava Pradhan. There is an extensive use of mudras and intense facial expression, Mukhabhinaya, in his style. Guruji's compositions are strictly based on the rasa theory, as prescribed in the Natya Shastra. In 1930s and 40s, Geet Govinda Ashtapadis were not a part of the Odissi repertoire. They were confined to the Maharis, who were mainly singing the Ashtapadis. Most of the mudras were lost, and the Gotipuas were dancing on Odia songs. The Odissi repertoire, as it stands today, is deeply indebted to Guruji for introducing the Geet Govinda Ashtapadis to its repertoire. He was the first Odissi Guru to present Shringara Rasa Ashtapadis like Pashyati Dishi Dishi, Yahi Madhava, and many others, which have now become synonymous with Odissi dance. He also introduced the concept of Sanchari Bhava in Odissi.
जैसा समुद्र होता है वो स्थायी भाव है, उसमें जो लहर से आते हैं, वेव्स बोलते हैं या ढेउ बोलते हैं, तरंग बोलते हैं, वो सब संचारी के रूप से आता है और फिर वो पानी के अंदर लीन हो जाता है। पश्यति पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तं पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तं
Guruji has introduced the study and use of Abhinay Darpana Mudras and reintroduced the Abhinay Chandrika vocabulary to Odissi. Guruji has expanded the mudra vocabulary by adding new mudras like Gavakhya and Shankhasura. Training under Guru Mayadhar Raut involves a detailed study of Mudra Vinyog. He is often referred to as the master of the science of mudras. Guruji's compositions are known for the intricacies of dance, subtlety of thought, and extensive research. A great thinker and a profound scholar, Guruji's dance compositions are multi-layered and have a number of discrete nuances. One unique quality of Guru Mayadhar Raut is his strong belief in unconditional Vidyadan. A staunch believer in the Guru Shishya Parampara, he accepts his students as his family. An epitome of love and humility, Guruji not only teaches the technical intricacies of his art form, but also passes on to his students his qualities of humility, trust, surrender, and patience. Apart from many national and international awards, Guru Mayadhar Raut has been honored with Padma Shri by the President of India in recognition of his lifetime service to the cause of Odissi. True to the spirit of the ancient Indian tradition, Guruji has never sought out the limelight. Having trained a galaxy of prominent gurus and dancers, Guruji leads a quiet and meditative life. A multifaceted philosopher, personification of simplicity, an exacting teacher, he is forever in the pursuit of perfection. Teaching and sustaining the Guru Shishya Parampara, Guru Mayadhar Raut continues to be the high priest of Indian classical dance.
Lakha